My name is Tjidde Boers. I work for Radial Software Group, and from Radial Software Group we are the makers of the product called Viewport. And within Radial I am the CEO. Viewport is basically using AI and machine learning to take on board the documentation, the drawings and the asset information existing at current locations, and we make one digital twin of this information. This way we can provide ways of operation for young engineers to interact with these assets. At the moment we are doing more and more with AI and machine learning, extracting more information and getting more context from the existing documents and from the existing drawings and putting it in context for the purpose of the people working with. We have to convince the people within Europe that LNG, bioenergy, can be a vital part in the transition. We need to vote for the right parties, basically supporting this, because political support is what we heard today is really also important. Because if the political support fails, then within these type of challenging times which we have today, then you will immediately see that it has an effect on the transition. The role of energy transition is to gain experience with the distribution of the compressed gases in a highly dangerous environment, but still be able to transmit it towards the vehicles. And we need to have this experience for the hydrogen revolution coming up. Networking is great, yes. So as you can hear, there's a lot of other noise around. So there's people networking. We are also continuously networking with end users, with engineering firms, with technology providers. It is a great event for this networking event, and we are only one quarter on the way. I always thought that we need a transition fuel. So we cannot rely on the electrification only or on the parts where we transition into hydrogen. We need something which we can use today. And one thing which I learned today is that from using LNG is basically the same infrastructure, the same delivery towards the end customers as you need to do within the H2, the hydrogen, the revolution which we need to come decades from now on to go to the net zero goals which we have. LNG, which we can do today, which we have the engineering capabilities, which we can do to gain these experiences. The only problem with this part is image. The image LNG has is still dirty, and we need to fix this. If we interact here, if we are able to solve this image problem, not only outside to the marketing part, but also people wanting to work within this industry to help with this transition, then I think this event can be a success.